What's causing the Royal Navy's recruitment crisis, and why has it led to the decommissioning of 2 warships? This question finds its roots in the current state of the Royal Navy, struggling with a significant downturn in recruitment. The Royal Navy has been facing an alarming recruitment crisis, with a significant drop in the inflow of new recruits. This trend is not limited to the Navy alone. The armed forces as a whole are grappling with a sharp decrease in new enlistments. However, the Navy seems to bear the brunt of this crisis, with the most substantial drop in recruitment among the 3 services. As a result of this manpower shortage, the Royal Navy has made the tough decision to decommission 2 of its warships, HMS Westminster and HMS Argyll. Both these vessels, especially the recently refurbished HMS Westminster, represent a significant investment of taxpayer money. The decommissioning of these ships signifies the extent to which the Navy is willing to go to address its manpower crisis. The decommissioning of these warships is not an end in itself. The crews from HMS Westminster and HMS Argyll are being redirected to work across the new fleet of Type 26 frigates as they come into service. This move underscores the Navy's commitment to maintaining operational efficiency despite the recruitment crisis. The decision to decommission 2 warships to staff the new Type 26 frigates is a significant one. It sends a clear signal about the state of the Royal Navy. Despite facing a recruitment crisis, the Navy is committed to ensuring that its most advanced submarine hunting warships are adequately staffed and operationally efficient. The Navy is effectively taking manpower from one area and putting it into a new area of the force, highlighting its adaptability in the face of adversity. As the armed forces grapple with a significant recruitment crisis, the Navy is making tough decisions to ensure operational efficiency. This situation, while concerning, also demonstrates the Royal Navy's resilience and commitment to meeting its operational requirements despite the challenges it faces. With 2 warships decommissioned and the arrival of the Type 26 frigates, what does the future hold for the Royal Navy? In the coming years, the Royal Navy will be bolstered by the much-anticipated arrival of the Type 26 frigates. These state-of-the-art vessels are set to be the most advanced submarine hunting warships to date, reflecting the Navy's commitment to maintaining a modern, robust fleet. Yet the first of these new frigates, HMS Glasgow, won't be operational until 2028 at the earliest, with HMS Cardiff expected by the end of the decade. Meanwhile, the remaining 6 Type 26 frigates, though ordered, aren't expected to start arriving until the 2030s. As the Navy awaits these new additions, it must grapple with the impact of its decommissioned warships. The decommissioning of HMS Westminster and HMS Argyll will bring the number of frigates in Britain's surface fleet down to just 9 until the 2 new ships arrive. This reduction presents a significant challenge for the Navy, particularly given the current state of global affairs. This challenge is further exacerbated by the potential military action against Houthi rebels over their attacks on cargo ships in the Red Sea. With the Navy's current capacity, the move to support HMS Diamond in the Red Sea with HMS Lancaster, a Type 23 frigate as part of Operation Prosperity Guardian, is being considered. However, critics argue that Britain would have more capacity to protect cargo in the Red Sea if frigate numbers were not being reduced. The Royal Navy's recruitment crisis, coupled with the reduction in frigate numbers, has sparked significant criticism. The Navy's intake dropped by over 22% in the past year, performing the worst out of the 3 services. Critics argue that the Navy's current strength is inadequate to handle the ever-complex threat picture that is harming our economy. As the Royal Navy navigates its recruitment crisis and transitions to a new fleet of frigates, its future remains a subject of intense scrutiny and debate. Will the arrival of the Type 26 frigates be enough to bolster the Navy's capabilities? Only time will tell. However, one thing is certain. The Royal Navy is at a pivotal point in its history, and the decisions made now will have far-reaching implications for its future.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.